This is an interesting section where we try to decode who is a pre-sales consultant is. Let's build an imaginary character and try to understand how a pre-sales consultant look alike. In my experience, I would say pre-sales consultant is a combination of both sales and technical team. So as a pre-sales consultant, you should have 50% of sales skills to carry out activities such as sales pitch, presentation to prospects, understanding requirements from prospects, negotiation, etc., and 50% of technical skills to provide feasible solution to address the prospect concerns, answer technical queries from the prospects, product understanding in detail, etc. So we have seen that being in pre-sales, we should have some technical knowledge on the products we sell or propose in the market. So the logical next question would be, how much technical knowledge should a pre-sales consultant propose? To understand this, we will compare between sales, pre-sales and technical team on how much duration they should be able to speak about a product or offering service to prospects and customers. As per industry practice, sales or marketing executives should be able to speak about a product or service for 2 minutes, whereas a pre-sales should be able to speak about the same product or service for about 10 minutes with little more details and features than a sales representatives. On the other hand, technical team should be able to speak for at least 30 minutes since they would know in and out about the product features, technical details and architectures. Just for your information, these durations are just used to show the differences and there is no research paper or article is published to back up the listed durations. I have one more example to explain who is a pre-sales consultant and what role a pre-sales team plays in any IT company. I believe everyone is well aware of hotel industry and how hotel functions in a very high level since I'm going to use the processes followed in any hotel and compare with how pre-sales role can be envisaged. This is more like a meme material which is becoming so famous in the new digital world. Okay, let's get it. The first picture says about how cook is getting prepared in the back end using variety of ingredients, vegetables, masalas, etc. The one who prepares the food is generally called as cook or chef in modern hotels. When we compare the same in IT industry, we can relate them to technical consultants who code and build products from scratch, setting up integration touchpoints and monitor the entire workflow till the product is completely built and ready to be used by the end users. There are many other activities too that a technical persons carry out in an IT company, but just to keep it simple, let's wrap with it. Then we have someone who take those food from the kitchen and serve it to the customers in a beautiful way. In terms of IT companies, those people can be considered as sales team who identifies the correct prospect and sell your developed products to solve their business problem. Moving on, we have one more persona who works in the hotel who are called as interior designers and admins to make your hotel look beautiful, clean, hygienic and present it to the customers in a best possible way so that they can step inside and eat in your hotel. Those personas can be considered as marketers working in IT companies. They generally take care of marketing of your products, be it digital mediums through websites, blogs, webinars, or through social mediums, something like LinkedIn, Facebook, or Meta, and in-person marketing activities like events, conferences, and workshops. So all these personas are required in a hotel or an IT company for a smooth function of all the processes. A late disclaimer at this point. I request the technical team or sales team or marketing team not to get offended with the way I compared your roles with hotel industry job profiles. This is just to showcase how pre-sales consultant is interlinked with all the job profiles and it is used only for the example purpose. Okay, now let's see who is a pre-sales consultant in this. Pre-sales consultant is someone who is a jack of all trades, meaning pre-sales will be part of all the activities we have seen till now and should have a fair knowledge on technical sales and marketing to be very successful in pre-sales role. The picture for pre-sales says it all. If you have seen this kind of moving trucks, there will be generally one or two persons who will take care of all the activities. They themselves will cook, They themselves will serve those food to the people, and they will also be involved in the cash transactions. Before starting the day, they will also do all the marketing activities like setting up signboards, arranging the chairs, and make sure the environment is clean and hygienic for people to have food. So pre-sales are kind of people who can contribute to all these activities with a primary focus on proposal preparations, customer facing, and driving product demonstrations. Hope you have a very good understanding on what is pre-sales and who is a pre-sales consultant in general, and what is the role they are playing in IT companies in a very high level. We will have a detailed walkthrough on all these activities in the upcoming sections too.